Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Snowflake row access policies for user-based analytics, full guide step by step clearly. To enable row access policies in Snowflake for user-based analytics, follow these steps. Begin by logging into your Snowflake account through the web interface. Navigate to the database where your data resides. Identify the table to which you want to apply the row access policy. Create a new row access policy using the SQL command. Utilize the Create Row Access Policy statement. Define the necessary condition for the policy based on user roles or attributes. Specify the actions permitted under this policy to control data visibility. Once your policy is defined, save it by executing the SQL command. Next, attach the newly created policy to the table. Use the Alter Table command to apply the row access policy. After applying the policy, verify that it has been successfully linked to your table. To test the policy, query the table with different user roles. Check that users see only the data allowed by the row access policy. If any adjustments are necessary, modify the policy accordingly. Ensure to monitor the policy usage over time for effectiveness. Document the policy details for future reference and compliance. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled row access policies in Snowflake for user-based analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.